Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 9. The book which we are doing is Beehive, 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 and the unit which we are doing is 1. That is the fun they had. The fun they had. The story we read, we understood how the learning through computers became a fashion. It was considered as 2157, that is, we are now in 2021, but the century which is expected is 17th May 2157. How it would be a futuristic approach, the school of the future. In 2157, how the school would be. Okay, and we saw how the virtual classroom, a robotic teacher, they also don't know what is the meaning of printed books until Tommy found a real book. Until Tommy found a real book. It is Margie's grandfather once said when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. It was a very, very old book, not ordinary book. See, 2 generations before. Okay. So, at that time, stories were all printed in the book. Grandfather was a little boy. When he was a little boy, his grandfather told. Okay. So, it is really a very, very old book. And now they are experiencing in touch what is a book and what is printed matters be. Okay, so let's start with it. We are now in the paragraph number 2, page number 6. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. What is when you are through with it means you have completed the book. For example, you completed your 6th standard, you throw the book. You complete your 7th standard, you throw the book. That is what he mentions. I guess. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. What does they say? Computer books? Like we have our now e-books, we have our Kindle storybooks. We don't feel like whenever we want, we can retrieve whatever we want, we can go. So our television screen, this lesson is so convenient for me to teach now than when I taught it 2 years before. Because all are undergoing some change in the reading and education sector. Same with me, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many daily books as Tommy had. Tommy was 13. So there are totally 2 children. One is Margie and another is Tommy. Tommy is 13 years old. Margie is 11. Okay, she said, where did you find it? What is this? Where did you find it? It means though the book, note, the textbook or notebook which they have followed. Where did you find this? Grandfather's. In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic. What is an attic? A-T-T-I-C is attic. A space just below the roof used as a storeroom. You have like a big shelf where you stuff things. A space just below the roof used as a storeroom. You try to stuff things there in the attic. What is it about? What is written there? School. School. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. What is school? What is she scornful, contemptuous, showing you think that something is worthless? What is there to write about a thing which is worthless? That is what she is expressing. What is there to tell something is worthless? Okay? Margie always hated school, but now she hated it than ever, more than ever. Why does Margie hated school? Okay. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. In which subject? In geography. And she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent to the county inspector. Like, for example, you don't do well continuously, you are taken to the principal or the headmistress, and then the parents were called, you remember? That is here the county inspector. Okay? The county inspector. Margie hated schools. Please find out the answer for this question. Why does Margie hated school? Margie hated school because the mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. Okay. In which subject is that? Geography. And she had been doing worse and worse. So until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully, it will not work out, and sent for the county inspector to review the situation. Okay, understood? County inspector. Like you have your principals or the vice principals or the headmistress or the head teachers, like that. Okay. So now now we are going to learn about how was the county inspector. He was a round little man with red face and a whole box of tools and with the dials and wires. Okay, he had a big box of tools with what? Dials, wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then he took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it together. Okay, but he knew all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions asked. Okay, he separated Margie's class, the teacher separated, then questions and answers, the textbooks, everything was separated. Then within an hour, he put it back also. What happened now? Everything started coming again. That wasn't so bad. What happened? That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put her homework and test papers. So, slot is the place given for the space given or time or the position. You have to write the questions, like you write your answers in the email and send it in the email. Is it not like that? They have to write it. The tests are always hated. The homework. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. What she has to use? She has to use punch code. At what age was she taught all those things? 6 years. The mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Within seconds, the mechanical teacher told her marks. The inspector had smiled after he had finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jonas. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometime. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Geared up adjust to the particular standard." So imagine a 10-year-old getting a 12-year-old or 13-year-old. It will be difficult for the child to do. Okay. The inspector has smiled after he has finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her, "It's not the little girl's fault. No, this girl is not the problem. Mrs. Jonas, who is Mrs. Jonas? Mother of Tommy and Margie. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Too quick. Those things happen sometime. It all happens. We can't do anything. I have slowed it up. What did I do? I have now made it very slow. Those things happen sometime. What happens? It happens. Sometimes it will be over, heavy, high. I have slowed it up to average 10-year level. So now it is to her age. Actually, in reality, the overall pattern of her is Margie, is quite satisfactory. What does it mean? She is doing well. And he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. Why Margie was disappointed? She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. She thought there would be no geography for her at all. There would be no geography at all. They had once taken away Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So once what happened to Tommy? 1 month no history classes were there because it was blanked out. Okay, so this is about Margie's and Tommy's school. That is the virtual school and all. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school? Is it have anything to do with the happiness or any memories? Nothing is there. What is there to write?" Tommy looked at her with a superior eyes. "Because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is an old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago," he added loftily in a superior manner, pronouncing the words carefully. "Centuries ago." Centuries means what? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, he says. Margie was hurt. Hurt? Well, I don't know what kind of school they were or they all had all the time ago. She read the book over her face, over his shoulders for a while, like peeping and reading. Anyway, they had a teacher. Whatever be it, they had a teacher, and it was a man. Human being? Yes. Like you have me, Madhubala ma'am, as your English teacher. Yes. You have a Bhushan sir as your maths teacher. Human beings. They had teachers. Okay, it was a man. Clear, children, till this. Please read the whole thing at least 3 times loudly and come to my next class. With this, I stop here. Thank you. Bye, children.